Alright, we're doing a quick going out look. We're going to start with the Benefit Gimme Brow in Auburn. And now I've lined my eyes with brown eyeliner to create a cut crease. And now went over it with a dark brown eyeshadow. Now I'm starting to diffuse it out with lighter browns. Now we're recutting the crease. Now that I've cut the crease, now we're going to start placing the color right on top of the concealer. We've got the color on, we are going to put on some eyeliner and some eyelashes. Here's some eyeliner. And some eyeshadow on the bottom, which I almost forgot. Now that we've got the eyelashes and the mascara, we are going to move on to the face, and I will be right back with the final result. Alright guys, this is the final look. If you liked it, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Artistry by Tay. And also follow me on TikTok, also Artistry by Tay. See you guys next time. Bye!